Hello and welcome back to Zuluba Consultants. In this video, I want to answer this question that reads, a hiker walks a distance of 6 kilometers due east and 10 kilometers due north. So we have been asked to calculate the magnitude of the displacement that this hiker made, and thereafter to calculate the direction from the horizontal. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us from our Facebook page if you have not done so. This question is a typical question that needs you and I to remember our mathematics concept. So this question demands us to remember two theories or two concepts. That is the Pythagoras Theorem and trigonometry. So the first one, the Pythagoras Theorem, tells us that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Then in trigonometry, we are going to use SOHCAHTOA. Going back to the question, it tells us that this hiker walks 6 kilometers to the east. So I have done here a vector diagram to help us answer this question. So you do well to do a vector diagram every time you have been asked such a question. So this hiker is walking 6 kilometers to the east. So we can put 6 kilometers here. That is to the east. To east. And then after walking 6 kilometers to the east, is walking 10 kilometers to the north. So 10 kilometers north. 10 kilometers north. When you do this vector diagram, it helps you to see that the walk that this person made is something that can be resolved as a vector. So the first part is asking you to calculate the magnitude. Now, to calculate the magnitude of the displacement, we are simply being asked to calculate the distance from the starting point to the ending point. So we have been asked to calculate this displacement here. Now, this is where the Pythagoras theorem comes in, where we say this distance here stands for c, then this is a, then this is b. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. When you want to get c, we are simply saying c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. Now, we have a, our a is 6 kilometers, so 6 squared plus our b is 10 squared. So this is equal to c. C is equal to the square root of 6 squared is 36 plus 10 squared, it is 100. So C is equal to the square root of 36 plus 100, it gives us 136. So what is the square root of 136? So the square root of 136, it gives us 11.66 kilometers. So this becomes the magnitude of the displacement made by this hiker. Let us look at the second question. It is asking us to calculate the direction of this hiker from the horizontal. So from the horizontal, it is this angle made here. So this angle can be given theta. That is the direction made by this hiker. Now, for you to calculate this angle, we need to get the principle of trigonometry, in particular using SOHCAHTOA. So we have three options that we can use. We can use the sine, the cosine, and the tan. So in this video, I'll use the tan rule. Then you can confirm on the comment section by you using the sine or the cosine rule. So according to the tan rule, it tells us that tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Now, the opposite is the displacement made, which is in this direction to the angle theta. Then this one is the adjacent. So when it comes to the values for the opposite, we are saying tan theta is equal to, the opposite is 10 kilometers divided by 6. So what is 10 divided by 6? It is giving us 1.667. So tan theta of 1.667, we want to get the angle, which is theta. So when you use this, we say this is equal to tan inverse of 1.667. So what is tan inverse of 1.667? It is giving us the answer of 59 degrees. So this becomes the angle of the direction that this hiker walked. So we have seen that you can use trigonometry to look at the angle or the direction that the hiker made. We have also asked you to say you can try to use the sine rule and the cosine rule to see if you will get the same angle, which is 59 degrees. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page if you have found this video beneficial. Until next time, it is bye-bye.